are with Dr. Anand Bharadwaj, the world's highest qualified Vastu consultant with over 39 years experience in scientific, technical and authentic Vastu Shastra. I welcome all the viewers to the new professional and complete series on Scientific Vastu program. Friends, as I have told you that if you need to ponder upon any Vastu factor, just type the Vastu factor with his name and click on search, and instantly you will get the real, accurate, scientific and authentic knowledge on the topic in a very short span of time. He has been to many countries worldwide for giving his expert Vastu advice on commercial and residential Vastu. It is very easy for any Vastu consultant to advise on making a building on a new plot as per Vastu bylaws. But what about the already built up houses and commercial complexes? Most of the Vastu consultants advise demolition, but he never does that because he also deals in Vastu corrections without demolitions, which is very effective. Today we will take up another new topic. Today's topic is the Rudraksh plant. So please tell us where the location of the Rudraksh tree or plant should be in our premise.
Thank you. Rudraksh tree or Rudraksh plant is called very auspicious plant because Rudraksh is called the positive energy giver, and this is also very comfortable for Lord Shiva, and this is also used in astrology for many cures. People are using this for worship, for putting in the cash box, for putting in the puja place, and it is of many varieties. From one mukhi to many mukhi Rudraksh are there. So Rudraksh tree, so far as the height and the location of the tree is concerned, if the height of the tree is meant very low, it can be located in northeast corner because this is also very comfortable for Lord Shiva and to please Lord Shiva. But the variety which you are seeing, that is behind me, this is a large variety. So if the height of the plant is large, then it should be located somewhere in the west but not in south. So this plant is already located in the west, and it is a large plant. It's not very old. It shall grow old, and the height shall go up. It shall become a heavy tree. So as I told you in yesterday's program, that if the tree is very heavy or the height of the tree is too much, it should be located in west and south only. And this tree is very auspicious. If somebody is going to plant this tree inside the premises, it gives the positive vibration. Like Tulsi plant, as we use Tulsi plant in the houses, so is the case with the Rudraksh plant. So it's very comfortable, very positive, and one should plant this Rudraksh tree in the garden if he can. Thank you.
Thank you for enlightening us with your words of wisdom. We will see you in the next program.
Thank you very much.